Hi guys, this is EI.01 and today in this video I'm going to be showing how to build a wailing alarm circuit that increases gradually and slowly down to zero. For the list of components required and other links to previous videos I have made out on screen now, check below the description box. By the way, welcome returning viewers and new viewers. If you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Placing your 555timer IC on your breadboard, facing it like this, connecting pin 2 and pin 6 of the 555timer IC, and also pin 4 and pin 8 of the 555timer IC. Placing a 33k ohms resistor across pin 3 and pin 6 of the 555timer IC. Placing a 1k ohms resistor to pin 3 of the 555timer IC. Then placing your BC547 transistor shows that the base pin is connected to the 1 kilo ohms resistor, and then connecting the emitter pin to ground. Placing the 39 ohms resistor to the positive rail and an empty hole that is going to be used for the speaker. It is 0.5 watt 8 ohm speaker connecting the positive to the 39 ohms resistor and is negative to the collector pin of the transistor. With a 10 NF capacitor, placing it to pin 1 and pin 2 of the 555timer IC. Then next, with the jumper wires connecting pin 1 to ground. Placing a BC557 transistor such that its collector pin is connected to pin 8 of the 555timer IC, placing a 220k ohms resistor to its base pin connected to the positive rail. Then with a jumper wire connecting the emitter pin to the positive rail. Placing a 100 kilo ohms resistor to the base pin of the transistor. Placing a 22 kilo ohms resistor to the 100 kilo ohms resistor. Then next we need a tap switch connecting one of its terminals to the resistor and using a jumper wires and connecting the other terminals to ground. With a 100 UF capacitor, placing its positive in between the two resistors and its negative to ground. And then when you're done, your circuit should look something like this. With a 9-volt battery, placing its negative to ground and the positive to the positive rail. What next? Now let's see how this circuit works. The duration of it with a press push button makes a difference in the output sound. The amplitude of the output sound increases gradually and slowly down to zero.